Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got Matt here today with the WRX, and we got Scooby, and we're gonna be cruising a detail garage. So let's get this shit. We got M, Juanito, Noemi. Alright guys, just pulled up with Matt to my boy TCP's house. New build coming to the channel. Clean 04 STI. Clean. This baby's getting a built motor, by the way, guys. More coming on this build soon. If you want to check this thing out, stay tuned, sub to the channel, like the video, do it up. This build's gonna be getting tackled soon. My brother TCP, this is his build. So picking up Taiski, we're gonna start heading to detail. All right, let's get it. Oh. Yeah, guys. All right, guys. Just pulling up now. Man, there's so many cars here. Holy crap, this is sick. Shout out to Detail Garage. God. Ooh. Oh my god. 33. Beautiful cars. Beautiful cars. Badass.
Oh, that's this thing we were looking at.
Alright guys, I cannot even believe how many cars are here. Oh, this is dope, bro. Mad cars. Holy shit.
Told you, I'm not gonna let
738.
Seven? No shit.
Once.
This thing's clean.
494 going twice. 494 going.
This thing's super clean. That's a nice wrap. Oh yeah.
Still early in the morning. We still gotta pick
Clean
one.
already.
enjoying
Look at a mean
Baja
Baja in mint condition, man.
I need to wash and they need to do a
Nice
demonstration,
2.0.
so this works out perfect.
Good shape.
So they'll be doing a demonstration on you know, food and fat people mix very well.
Hey,
I
this is
like
for
food
you.
and I'm fat, so it works out very, very good.
Yeah.
What up, asshole?
What up, kid? Say what up to the channel, yo.
What's up, Subi Life?
Subi gang. It's a
Clean.
Honda, but fuck it.
Clean. I love those seats. Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, the downpipe's tuned now. We need to actually race
Yeah,
now.
hell yeah.
We need to
hell
actually
yeah.
race.
For sure, dude. Hell yeah.
PlayStation controller.
No way.
Yeah.
It came out today?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it did.
No, it's not. Yeah, man. This is nuts.
It's probably expensive.
Carbon fiber roof.
Injected sticker.
Might be alright out. This is the Dream Car channel right here. If we pop off, we're getting one of these for you guys. This thing is beautiful.
The GTR is when it's all wheel drive. Normally 26 and turbo. Yeah. So like the GTST.
Look at the mirrors, babe. Oh my god. It's right hand drive. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. This thing is so sick.
They had it done in the rig back in the 90s and everything captured.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what did I do for this
So
guy?
it's the gentleman difference between all the races. That car that can go fast.
It's clean. This is a mean kit, bro. It's a mean fitment. Holy shit. Wow. A beautiful Evo. Got the Brembos.
Check 35.
I feel like back then.
Clean Recaros.
It's the MR edition.
Oh. Holy shit, guys. This is a mean freaking Bronco. Original. This is nuts. Look at that. Look at the interior leather.